Hello everyone, Josh Rhine, your local rail van hotspot in North Central West Virginia area. How you guys doing out there today? I'd like to thank you for my support, for my subscribing on my YouTube channel, follow me, uploaded it in advance. We got the westbound train coming approaching, which is less than a mile away from there at the lodgeville area into the tunnel. So we got a green light and this train is kind of approaching. Can you guess what this train symbol of the day is? I'm not sure exactly what one it is though. So it could be L191, L154, or somehow, or even coal train. So we'll find out and see what happens next. So when you hear the train horn sounds coming towards the Great Crossing of the nearby the milepost 299.0. So all right, to make sure to go and subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon if you get notifications like my new train videos uploaded every day. Also, leave the love, like, and comment, and love it, and tell me what you think. All right, let's get into this train video right away. Roll 'em. All right, guys, we got the somewhere on the symbol on this train. We're coming around one day at the Lodgeville Great Crossing. 7 appeared from around the curved bend. Let's see, what could it be? Let's see. Oh, L191. I get it. It is L191. Yep. I mean, you got it right. It is L191-27. Csx 989. Woohoo! 989! 864! Wow! Nice. That's how we do it. So we'll be going 191 looking forward to that. There she goes, folks. Next sector, milepost 299.0. Incredible, man. There's a set of green placard. That's what I'm looking for my birthday gift for Csx L191 layout this year, including to this year. So. That's gonna be into the train, but won't last long, man. Time is running out. And there you have it. Symbol on the train is Csx L191-27. Westbound local freight train that originates from the Grafton, West Virginia, Grafton Yard, heads west to Parkersburg, West Virginia, where it terminates at the Parkersburg Yard on this Saturday, July 27th, 2024. Josh Rhine on my YouTube channel. This is Josh Rhine, your local North Central West Virginia rail van hotspot, and we are out. Here goes the next video. Roll 'em.